According to a company blog post from last week, Airbus is developing innovative cryogenic hydrogen storage tanks to accommodate aircraft powered by liquid hydrogen in the future. They are called cold hearts, and they're at the core of the revolutionary hydrogen-powered ZEROe aircraft. Airbus continues by elaborating on the two primary technologies that make direct hydrogen flight possible: hydrogen combustion in modified gas turbine engines, and the use of hydrogen fuel cells to generate electrical power. Combining the two technologies is another viable possibility. There is, however, one constant at work, and that is the need that hydrogen be maintained at very low temperatures. The manufacturer of the aircraft emphasized the need of maintaining a temperature of minus 253 degrees Celsius during the trip, even if the tanks are empty. Having a place to store the hydrogen used to power the plane is a crucial part of the technology needed to enable hydrogen-powered flying in the future. They pose certain engineering challenges, though, since they are so unlike those on more conventional planes. For the last 15 months, Airbus has been working with the Zero Emission Development Centers, ZEDCs, in Nantes, France and Bremen, Germany, to create these tanks. The liquid hydrogen tanks are made in Nantes, whereas the cold boxes that do the gasification are made in Bremen. According to the engineers, the next stage is to examine the prototype critically and determine where improvements might be made. This initial prototype will be used to gain knowledge and test data for the second, hydrogen-filled version. The team's primary objectives are to maximize available area, enhance performance, and streamline production. The end goal is to have a tank ready to place in the A380 demonstration by 2026 to 2028, which means that construction and testing of the second prototype will take another year. The initiative will significantly alter the way we travel by air and put environmental concerns at the forefront of the aviation sector. That's it for today, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and check our website at www.techwiki.co. Thanks for watching.